Hello everyone and welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to learn this look. I simply loved doing this look on me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Let's start the makeup. So first thing first, here I am putting primer on my face. I have used Rimmel primer and I always dab primer in my skin. Now I'm using Rimmel foundation and dotting it all over my face. I'm going to use brush to blend my foundation all over my face, and I'm going to leave my under eye area because I have to conceal that part, so there's no point of putting foundation before. It's better to use and put less product on the thin skin. Always remember to be very patient while doing your makeup because makeup takes time, but it makes you look so amazing. Now, once I'm done blending my makeup with the brush, I'm going to use damp beauty blender because I do not want any brush stroke on my face to be visible. Now it's a concealing time. I'm going to conceal my under eye area and every spot on my face which needs concealing. I'm going to literally look for the spots where I want to conceal because I do not want to put any extra product on my face. And I'm going to blend my concealer with the help of brush. I'm going to spend some time in my under eye area because we all have some fine lines, so I do not want my concealer to deposit in there. Always remember, if you have some deeper spots and dark spots, then you are just supposed to dab that portion with the concealer and do not slide your product. And now it's time for some highlighting. I'm going to put my highlighter in an upward direction because I want my face to look uplifted. Same I will be doing on my jaw area. And once I'm done doing this, I'm going to use contouring stick to draw the contouring line on my face according to my face shape. Contouring changes every game of your face. It's a very strong makeup product. It can actually change the look and the upliftment of your face. It can help you look uplifted, and if you are not doing it correctly, it can also make your face look very dull and not so uplifted. Now is the time to blend the highlighting. As you can see, I'm blending it in the same direction so that my face can look uplifted, and it is pretty much looking very sharp and uplifted. So you are just going to follow the directions and blend the product blindly. How you blend your product is very important because you always have to be careful about the product you have applied underneath. For example, if you have dark circles and if you have already corrected the under eye area and you have already put concealer and foundation and now you're highlighting, then you have to literally dab the product and do not drag it, because if you are going to drag it, then the product underneath highlighter will definitely move and there's no point of putting so much products then. Always remember to use two different brushes for highlighting and contouring. And you do not have to buy any extra brush for your nose contouring. You can just simply squeeze your brush just like I did in the video and just do your nose contouring. And now again I'm using the damp beauty blender just to remove any left stroke of the brush on my face. And now it's my favorite part. I'm going to apply blush. I'm going to use my Velvet Touch lipstick all over my cheeks, nose and chin because I love the sun-kissed look. And I'm using here brush to blend it all over. If you want, you can also use damp beauty blender and just dab it in your skin and you can see the magic. It looks so natural. Now it's the most important part. You have to set your face too. Make sure you have removed all the lines of your face with the help of beauty blender. There should not be any deposit of your concealer, foundation and anything you have put before the setting powder on your face. Spend some time while setting your face and your base will be magically done. So now it's time for my favorite part, that is blush. I love too much blush. If you do not like this much blush, then you can just totally skip this part and directly go to highlight point. And I'm sure everybody loves highlighting. And you just need to put highlighter on the highest points of your face and you will be done. Here I am so obsessed with highlighter that I am just not stopping putting highlighter on my face. And if by mistake you end up putting a lot of highlighter on your face, here how you can remove it. Just take any fluffy clean brush and just do this, what I'm doing here. And honestly, I just love my base here. Now let's just quickly jump into lip contouring. As you can see, my upper lip is not naturally plumped, so I have to make it even with my lower lip. So here I am using dark brown lip pencil and I am just making an imaginary line under my lower lip to make an illusion so that my lower lip and my upper lip can look even. So here I am just outlining my lower lip, but on my upper lip I am covering all the space which is there and visible but does not have my lip color. So I am going to just take that part and not going even further up and make an illusion. Please take your time while making this, and it's okay if you make mistakes. I also make mistakes and I just rub it off. You do not have to be very neat because at the end you are just going to smudge all the outlining you are doing here. So just relax and be cool and make mistakes. And now I'm just rubbing this outline and making it blur so that it can give me the 3D effect of big lips and pouty lips. And here I'm applying a pink nude lip pencil. I just want to give my lips a nude look so that nobody can know that I am wearing even any lip color, and this is my natural lip color. Isn't it cool? You can just do it with any nude lipstick. You can use any color of your choice. I just love this color, so I made my lips look naturally this color. And now let me just quickly do my eyebrows. I will link up the eyebrow video here. You can just go and check how you can do your eyebrows. So I am just going to just go very fast with this portion. But yes, here I'm using a gel which is from Wet n Wild, and I just tried it for the first time and honestly I just loved it because it kept my eyebrow in place. Well, here I am just talking to my students who are taking self makeup class from me. So I shot this video while teaching them how to do this look. But yes, if you want, you can join my makeup courses. Message me or comment. I'll definitely get back to you. You can also follow me on Instagram. So let me just quickly jump onto the eye makeup. Here I have used only one eye palette and I'm using darkest brown color and creating a fake crease because I have hooded eyes, so I have to make crease line for me. So I'm just blending that same dark brown color throughout my eyelid, and just blending will only help you to create beautiful and flawless eye makeup. And now I have taken this orange color and I will be putting it all over my brown color and blend it very nicely so that it can give me the smooth effect and not the harsh one. And I'm just going to put this color on my entire eyelid as I have to apply pigment, so I'm just creating the base. And last, I am going to take this yellow color and make a smooth transition. I am going to blend all the harsh corners around my eye. Now it's time for some pigments. I'm going to take two pigments, one rose gold and one gold color, and I'm going to just spread it out all over my eyelid as I said earlier. I'm using finger. If you want, you can just use brush also and spread it evenly all across your eyelid. For this look, while you do your lower lash line, just repeat all the colors you have applied over your lid and you will be done. Followed by the kajal. I love to smudge out my kajal. I do not like very bold and harsh looking kajal, so I'm going to use my brush. If you feel difficulty in smudging out, then you can always support your skin with the fingers and stretch it little bit outwards and then just smudge it nicely. Since my eyes are hooded and it has a lot of loose skin, so that's the only way I use to spread out my eyeliners and kajals. So this is it guys for this video. This is my final look. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. And I will see you super soon. Bye bye.